What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we need to look at the continued drop forming on almost every single cryptocurrency, including the stock market, which is very interesting. If we type in briefly stock market falling, you'll see this is in continuation of people kind of thinking that it has to do with the tariff formation here. That's what everybody keeps referencing here. You can see if I pull this up, NASDAQ, S&P falls, AI caution weighs on tech, NVIDIA results in focus. That's not even pulling up here. We can go to S&P closes lower Monday as markets come back, attempt fizzle. So basically they're talking about the tariff that came out here. If this loads without that stuff popping up, you can see, yeah, Trump said tariffs on Canada and Mexico will go forward, and that is now causing a lot of this market to cause a correction here. That's buy the rumor, sell the news. Who knows? That is causing some fear. I don't know if that's the direct correlation. Somebody commented on my video, which was hysterical. They were like, "You don't know what you're talking about," and I'm like, "It's literally shown here. Like, I know exactly what the reference is. I'm trying to speculate that it is something different. Not every time the media pushes something out means that it's true. You could see everything that's happening with the airplanes, but coincidentally, airplane crashes are actually down this month or last month and the month prior compared to previous months. So it's interesting. We're on a downward trajectory, yet the media is covering it. It's almost like they're trying to cover something else or pivot away from something they don't want to actually address. You never know. I'm just not trying to take things at face value here. But anywho, sorry to go off on a tangent here, but the reason I mentioned this is stock market pulling down. QQQ pulling down. Bitcoin absolutely fell off a cliff. Ethereum fell off a cliff. XRP fell off a cliff. Easy buy-in opportunity. Solana also fell off a cliff. Big buy-in for a short yesterday. It doesn't get any easier than that. That's pretty much what we're going to be covering in today's video. So with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before I dive into the technical analysis, just wanted to let you know BYDFI is doing a deposit and trade bonus of up to 11K in free bonus cryptocurrency. I saw quite a few of you guys actually took advantage of this. I'm even more surprised some of you guys are whales and took advantage and will be able to earn probably close to the 8 to 11K bonus, whether you do it through the BYDFI promo that they're having right here, or if you choose to do it through their reward center, you can get that $100 bonus you can see, or sorry, 8K plus the $100 in bonus. You can see complete task and earn up to 100 USDT. So some of you guys are actually able to do this, which is incredible. Kudos to you. It's basically I call it like exchange arbitrage. It's like a money glitch to get free bonus cryptocurrency, and then if you trade with that, you can earn free crypto off that. And what's interesting, whether they want me to disclose that or not, is you can always create a new account. This has to do with KYC, blah, 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 blah. But if you're going to use the account and you sign up, they just want to limit the amount of people that go around this. So depending on the amount that you deposit, you can continue to earn with new accounts and stuff like that, some of these bonuses, which is super cool. Or you sign up to a different exchange, yada, yada, yada. But this is offered here if you haven't taken advantage of this. And I believe with these promos, you don't have to be for new users, which is the best part. So this promo is like if you've already signed up and you've already gotten a bonus months ago, you can then get this bonus, even being an old user on the exchange here, and take advantage of these, which I saw you guys do. So definitely make sure to check out BYDFI down in the description below. We'll cover them later on in today's episode here, but you can see yesterday we made a video saying don't be surprised that the markets are falling. The drop was not at all a shock, if you know what I mean here. This correction was very obvious in the market correcting here. I mean, we had it happen right here, correction, and then here we are again seeing correction take place. So to act like surprised that this correction is coming is like, whose fault is that? We've known that we were expecting to see a run. I've always tried to be biased and hope for the best and prepare for the worst, but we know after consolidating here, we go, okay, symmetrical triangle forming. We're getting very close to the end here. Obviously, now that we know when that breakout's going to come, are we going to confirm closure above and rally up, or confirm closure below and rally down? We obviously see the confirmation right here, so a short opportunity was available. Well, here we are forming number 2. And here we are again, confirming closure above here. We started to close below here, trade below, boom, dump. So we didn't get the ample warning here unless we maybe jumped to like the hourly or the 4-hour. 4-hour gave a clear sign. We had that right here, that short opportunity, and then that caused correction here. So you got to play around with it if you're an active trader on the daily and 4-hour and even sometimes hourly charts, depending on what you look at. But the 4-hour gave that confirmation, and that sent the spiraling down to the moving average here. Now, hopefully, we cool off. We had a big drop, and hopefully now we use that moving average as a support and kind of float sideways like I just drew. Now, as you guys can see, current coin market cap shows us down 6.1% today, 29 on the fear and greed index. I'm liking it. Crypto's on sale. It's getting discounted here. I do believe we will see some runs to the upside soon, but we are starting that inevitable bear market that nobody wants to talk about here. I mean, look, markets are falling off on a cliff. It's what do I call it? It's the graphs happen every 4 years. We see these kind of corrections. I just had a brain fart. I'm forgetting the words here, but everything comes in waves. And it repeats. So when the word comes to me, I'll let you guys know. But until then, now it's going to bother me all episode here. But we're down 7.7% for Bitcoin for the week, but 7% for the day, 9.8% for Ethereum for the day, 10% on XRP for the day, 12% on Solana for the day. Like everything is just dumping in the market here. So it's not a surprise. We knew this correction was coming here. And aside from XRP seeing this short, because we knew this short was coming, like we knew to buy in here and short this to the downside, just like history was repeating here. I gave you guys ample warning in yesterday's episode. Get ready for the dump. We are confirming it here. We adjusted this ever so slightly. Oh my gosh, if I push too hard on the mouse pad, the freaking dictionary opens up. But you can see uptrend, 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 uptrend. We discovered that. We discovered downtrend. We knew that. Filling in this gap. Confirm closure here. Short. Boom. Buy an opportunity. It's simple. Doesn't get any more difficult than that. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory here, but aside from this short opportunity, moving forward from other cryptos, we'll cover BYDFI super quick. You guys know, I mean, I've already covered it in the intro here, but you can see get up to $8,100. That is this is for anyone that signs up. The cool thing about this is you get different opportunities. So going through their website, they have a higher deposit bonus, lower trading amount, very easier to hit. On the promo they're doing, it's a extremely low deposit bonus with a much higher or a higher volume trade. So different ways depending on the type of trader you are. Multiple options here. They even have, where is it? A demo trading account. This is the last thing I want to talk about. And then and that's pretty much it. So you can take advantage of a demo trading account, $50K in demo money, practice your skills, get familiar with the exchange, learn how the exchange works, like see if you can make, 5 to 10 consecutive trades in positive in the green. You have a better chance of making some profit using that bonus money that you acquired versus if every trade is in the red, maybe you shouldn't be doing this. Now, moving forward from XRP, as we knew the drop, I think we'll cool off right now. These big dumps typically start to consolidate, so take profits at this point. That's what I would be doing. I expect that. Same thing with Solana here. We fell hard. It's insane. Look at that. I mean, we had this beautiful descending fractal. We knew it was very possible. We were at the point where we needed to make a decision, and here we are falling. So now I would expect to see consolidation take place. We hit a bottom here. We fell inside a beautiful descending fractal inside this bull flag formation. We consolidated right here, confirmed the last retest, and boom, fell to the downside. It doesn't get any more obvious, guys. Hello, we filled this in, no more, space left, had to make a decision, and we dumped. We fell to the downside here. So not surprising by any means that this correction happened here. So just keep that in mind. But aside from now Solana seeing that correction, I do believe cryptos are going to start to cool off now. I don't think we're going to have much lower points. We've pretty much retested that. I think now we're going to consolidate outwards as we are hitting a pretty solid support. Ethereum fell pretty dramatically as well. All these cryptos did. Now everything is practically oversold, if not extremely oversold. We're near it. And here we are with Ethereum. So probably going to consolidate up. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for this, or just to float sideways again inside a beautiful descending fractal. So there are intraday shorts. Like when we hit resistance and we don't confirm above, we can buy in and short. Same thing kind of with this area, short. Very simple stuff. But now that we're consolidating and seeing that movement now, what we're truly waiting for conservatively is closure above yellow resistance. We can buy in and then long to the upside. That's what I expect to take place. That's what I expect to see happen here. This reversal to the upside. And that's going to come once we get confirmation above yellow band. It's going to take a long time. We could just sell off and ruin everybody and fall this low. But once we confirm that, it'll be almost a guaranteed buying opportunity. So keep your eyes on that. Bitcoin fell off a cliff. This is huge. Breaking through that support, fell to the downside, but I do believe there's a good chance we'll reverse up. I think so, at least. QQQ and the S&P, this is where things get a bit interesting. We're back inside our beautiful descending fractal here. Nothing really is scary because, look, like, you got to understand where we are now. Back in November of 2024, we were at all-time highs. So here we are at all-time highs at overbought at 70 on the RSI. And then here we are now today in February down to 40 on the RSI. So imagine now how we'll do. Like, let's say we just decide to consolidate like this until April. Okay, a couple months, woo-woo, not a big deal. Well, what that's going to do is lower us pretty low on the RSI. Keep this in mind. We'll go all the way to freaking oversold. And now we are primed, locked, and loaded for a very large rally. So we'll now be oversold, trending right here. And guess what? With the upwards pressure of the moving average and the uptrend here, we're going to see a pop. And we're going to be well into all-time highs. That's what I think is more than likely going to happen. Obviously, we could do that too. I don't want that to happen, but who knows? But I would think with the way the market's going, we'll probably see a movement to the upside here. I mean, I'm not worried. Like, hello, why would we be? Or you guys are like, they're so scared about this. This is like just perfect opportunities to buy in. We kind of said, oh, we're kind of breaking out of this a little bit earlier. I would have liked us to finish it as we always have done. I don't know why this one got deleted, but like, as we've always done, there's some sort of like downtrend like this, and we usually finish it. We usually get pretty low and retest moving average. We didn't really do that here, which is why I was like, why are we breaking out early? Like, we're breaking out really early now. Notice on these cryptos, a lot of them, at least on the big reversals, hit moving average, hit moving average, hit moving average. We were nowhere near it. So the fact that now we're coming back down to hit it is good sign. And then we should be able to see, it's like we're just making room to head higher. That's my opinion on it. So when we come into contact with this, I'll be buying back in. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.